In the fast-paced and ever-changing world of e-commerce, staying ahead in the game requires not just hard work, but also the right set of tools. For anyone looking to make their mark selling on Amazon, Django Scout is the beacon of hope that lights the path to success. It's the all-in-one platform designed to help you kickstart, manage, and flourish in your Amazon business. But the burning question for many is, how much is Django Scout? In this video, we will unpack the details in simpler terms to help you make an informed decision. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Django Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Understanding Django Scout's pricing. Django Scout offers 3 main subscription plans, each tailored to meet different needs and stages of your Amazon selling journey. Basic plan. The basic plan is like the first step on your Amazon selling journey. It's priced at $49 each month, but if you decide to pay for a whole year at once, it costs $349, which saves you money. This plan is great for anyone just starting out because it gives you all you need to start looking for products to sell. With this plan, you get to use Django Scout's browser extension, which is a tool that helps you look at products on Amazon and see if they are a good choice to sell. You also get a single user license, meaning it's designed just for one person to use. Although it's the most basic option, it still gives you limited access to some powerful tools to help you find products, like the product tracker and keyword scout. This plan is perfect if you are new to selling on Amazon and want to get a feel for how everything works without spending too much. It's a simple way to begin understanding the Amazon marketplace and what you can do to succeed. Suite plan. The Suite plan is the middle option and costs $69 per month, but if you choose to pay annually, it's $589, offering a good discount. This plan is for sellers who are ready to take their Amazon business to the next level. It includes everything from the basic plan, but adds more tools and features to help you find new products and manage your businesses. With the Suite plan, you can add more people to your account, which is really helpful if you are working with a team. You get access to a year of historical keyword data and 3 months of historical product tracking data, helping you make better decisions by looking at how products have sold over time. This plan gives you full access to important tools like the Opportunity Finder and Product Database, which can help you discover new opportunities. It's designed for sellers who are serious about growing their Amazon business and need more detailed information and tools. Choosing the Suite plan means you are ready to dive deeper into product research and business management. Professional plan. The professional plan is the top option for sellers who have big goals and are ready to expand their business. It's priced at $129 per month, or you can pay $999 for a whole year. This plan gives you everything in the Suite plan, but adds even more features and data to help you succeed. With the professional plan, you get to have 6 users on your account, which is perfect for larger teams. You also get access to 6 months of historical data in the product tracker and 2 years of historical keyword data, which is a lot of information to help you make smart choices. This plan is great for experienced sellers because it gives you priority onboarding, helping you start it quickly and smoothly. Plus, you get to use the AI Assist feature more with 300 uses per month, which can help automate tasks and give you insights. If you are serious about selling on Amazon and have a team that needs access to the best tools and data, the professional plan is the best choice. Breaking down the value. When considering the cost of Django Scout, it's crucial to understand the immense value packed into each subscription. Django Scout is not just about numbers and data, it's about providing you with a comprehensive toolkit to succeed on Amazon. With every plan, you are getting access to the most accurate sales data in the industry. Thanks to Jungle Scout's proprietary AccuSales algorithm, this means that you can make informed decisions based on reliable forecasts and trends. The browser extension alone is a game changer, allowing you to research products directly on Amazon with ease. The platform is designed to support sellers in various global marketplaces, ensuring that no matter where you are selling, you have the tools to thrive. From tracking product performance over time to uncovering profitable keywords, Jungle Scout covers all bases to help you stay competitive. Beyond the technical features, Jungle Scout places a strong emphasis on education and support. The Academy offers a wealth of learning resources from beginner guides to advanced selling strategies, ensuring you are never left in the dark. And if you ever need help, their customer support team is available around the clock to answer your questions. Making the right choice. Choosing the right plan depends on where you are at in your Amazon selling journey and where you want to go. If you are just starting out, the basic plan gives you the essential tools to begin exploring product opportunities without a significant financial commitment. It's the ideal choice for individuals testing the waters of Amazon selling. For those who are a bit more established and looking to expand their business, the Suite plan offers a comprehensive set of features that allow for deeper product research, more extensive historical data analysis, and enhanced business management capabilities. It's tailored for sellers ready to take their business to the next level. Experienced sellers with a team will find the professional plan to be the best fit. The additional users, extensive historical data, and priority onboarding make it easier to manage a larger operation and scale your business efficiently. Plus, the ability to set permissions for each user ensures that your team can access only what they need, maintaining security and efficiency. Beyond subscriptions. Jungle Scout goes beyond just software subscriptions. For those looking to fast-track their success on Amazon, Jungle Scout's Freedom Builder Bootcamp offers an exclusive training program. This comprehensive course includes advanced seller lessons, access to the JungleCon video library, weekly live coaching sessions, and a supportive community of fellow sellers. Priced at $999, the same as an annual professional plan. It's an investment in your business future, providing you with knowledge and tools to build a successful Amazon FBA business. When asking how much is Jungle Scout, it's important to look beyond the price tag and consider the value it brings to your Amazon business. Each plan is designed to grow with you, offering scalable solutions for every stage of your business journey. Choosing Jungle Scout means more than just accessing the best data and tools. It's about joining a community dedicated to your success. So take the first step towards mastering the Amazon marketplace and discover the best Jungle Scout plan for your business today. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.